Check it out, you guys. We're at Kroger. We got some exciting news, and I'm getting ready to show you how to make some of the best chicken wings. Come on. One of the first things you need is some lemonade. We found the chicken wings and a bunch of them. Won't need one of those. Worcestershire. Do you like what you see? How about this? Check this out, my friends. The new chili lime now in Kroger. Also, the Primo nationwide. You guys, let's go make these chicken wings. First step, get your wings, and we're gonna clip them just like this. Now we want to marinate these for about an hour to an hour and a half. You want a little salt with some Worcestershire, and then you want some sweet with some lemonade. The Worcester gives us the salt, the lemonade gives us the sweet. So we're just gonna let these sit here and kind of brine and soak up that flavor for a good hour and a half. All right, it's time. We have marinated. Now we're going in with the chili lime on one batch. Notice we got it out of the marinade. So now we're just gonna sprinkle generously and get them all nice and coated. Look at the ingredients, you guys. Real chili flakes, Korean chili flakes, Aleppo chili flakes, the paprika, the lime flavors, you guys. Made with the right amount of salt so we can sprinkle generously, and these are not gonna come out salty. It's gonna be just right. Now, the Primo. Look at that. You got black garlic, black cumin, black pepper, black sesame seeds, the right amount of salt in there. So we're just gonna sprinkle generously over here as well. But don't forget, you can get both of them at Kroger. Now let's go outside, throw them on the smoker. I'm gonna have to put these in my pocket because I'm taking them with me. Before we put these on the smoker, I want y'all to look at that. It just looks dang good. Now let's get these on the smoker. Something I just realized, it's gonna be hard to season the other side once I get these in the back. So let's go on and get them fully coated. What I was gonna do is put them on seasoned side down and then season the top side, but won't be able to get my hand in the grill. So we're just gonna get these tossed around, pop the top, season a little more. Give them another twirl, one more time, because you can't ever have enough of the Danos. Look, we've still got some left. We're going to really pack these in tight. We got a lot of chicken wings to cook. We're gonna get them all on. All right, with the chili lime, we're gonna do the same technique. Season generously, get it fully coated. Look at that. Now let's get them on. Bam. Now, we're going low and slow on these. 225 degrees. We're gonna let them go for about 2 hours, and then we'll crank it up at the end, crisp them up. All right, 225 degrees. It's been a half hour. Look at them. Now, we're not even gonna flip them. There's a whole lot of flipping to do. You don't always have to flip them. All we're gonna do is put the lid back down. We're gonna crank it up. I know I said I was gonna go for 2 hours at 225, but we're trying to speed this up a little bit. So we're gonna go on and crank it up, 375, and we're gonna give it another 30 minutes, and they should be done. All right, we fiddled around a little bit with the temperature, but look at those. It's time to go eat. Time to go yum yum. Get us some. Look at that right there. Perfect. Let's see if they're hungry. Let me get the first try. Yep, that is dynamite. Let's see what everybody else thinks. Oh yeah, that's dynamite.